So what will we do? We will
We'll buy Fudgy Bar and Oreo.
Fudgy Bar and Oreo only Pero mamaya kung ano na naman ang bibilhin mo. Ha? That's enough. Fudgy Bar and Oreo only, okay? Promise? Or promise that are made to be broken again? Hi to the camera.
Hi to Kamala!
Okay, so Sunday ngayon. And usually pag Sunday pumupunta kami sa store. And then makikita niyo tong si Roga sobrang excited. So what will we buy?
Fudgy Bar and Oreo.
O yun lang daw ang bibilin pero makikita natin Don't run.
Ay, apa nag-market?
Bumutang. Ay, basta domingo. Oh, wait. Di ba sabi ko walk slowly? Walk slowly. Slowly. Oh, no, don't run. Slowly. Walk beside Papa. Don't run. Where? Okay. What will you buy again? Oh, yan na naman. Okay, wait. Wait.
Strawberry pineapple.
Ha? No, di ba?
Here.
What? Ano sabi mo bibilhin? Ha?
Here.
What? O, sabi mo, Fudgy Bar lang, di ba?
Down.
Okay, wait. We buy one tang.
We buy 5 down.
You know?
5 down. Strawberry down. Strawberry down. Strawberry down. Strawberry
Grabe talaga.
down.
See? Sabi niya, yun lang bibilin, pero actually, ang dami niyang listahan, and then,
Strawberry
ako.
down. Strawberry down.
Okay, enough.
Strawberry down.
We only buy, hindi natin bibili. Isang kusub-subli lang doon. Okay.
Nescafe cream white.
Oh, here, you don't
Nescafe
like?
cream. Nescafe 5 Nescafe cream white. 5 Nescafe cream white.
Okay.
5 Nescafe
No,
cream
please.
white.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Nescafe creamy white.
Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No,
Nescafe
enough.
cream one.
Enough.
5 Nescafe cream.
Okay.
4 Nescafe free 1. 4 Nescafe free 1. 4 Nescafe creamy white.
This one of 4, look. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Apple down.
Ha?
Apple down. Apple down.
Sabak yung mga ganda na. Ipagbigyan ko lang si Pana dito kan. Pagkapagap ko na si sakit. Okay.
Even cheese.
Okay, go get Eden cheese. Sige. There.
Even cheese. 4 Eden cheese.
Anong 4? Ang yaman mo Ay,
4 Eden cheese. 4 Eden cheese.
this one.
4 Eden cheese.
Ito. Oh, hey. Okay, put na.
Put on.
Put here.
Eden salty pack.
Oh, sorry pa. Okay,
Eden.
Sorry pa. Okay.
Okay. Yay! It's time to. It's time.
Wow. Naman lang ang nagkasakit dito yung mga pagbigan ko kasi
Four
pingaloko na
Nescafe. Wait. 8 Reverend Lavender Tree. 4 Reverend Lavender Tree.
Ano daw?
Sunsilk. Sunsilk.
No, wait talaga.
Wait, 4 Reverend Lavender Trees there.
Oh, di ba 4? Di ba 4 lang bibili mo? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Enough. What more?
10.
Suck, 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 suck.
Binuksan silk already.
Suck, suck, suck already.
Yes.
Suck, suck.
Ha?
Six, suck, silk. Six, suck, silk. Six, suck, silk.
Ayun. Ay, nakatakas yata may tapon sa salin.
Oreo, Oreo, Oreo.
Swak sa medyo swak sa bonus sa biscuit.
Ah,
3 weeks man nga nga nag-grocery. So,
Ayun. Ito ang lastan.
ayun, kawasak nila doon. Ano?
Five.
Ito yung nakarayan na amanan.
Ani, nagarami nga parwaro.
Ito maka-exercise. Di man.
Could I go brown? Could I go brown?
Oh, put here.
Kasi ko bro.
Kupi ko.
Ano yung kapapanood ka ng YouTube? Ganun yung nanging mga advertisement.
Yung nakikita kaya na-stimulate.
Come on.
Okay, okay. Okay, we pay na.
Hey, hey.
We pay, we pay, we pay. We pay.
Come
Okay?
on. Welcome to the.
Come.
Welcome.
Come. No. Stand up.
Welcome.
So we pay first.
Me.
We pay.
We pay.
Han. Anong pa nabayaran? You
Are
stay.
you ready?